So you can see the compounded limestone, and then on top of this they're going to throw some gravel, and then the slab is going to sit right on top of it. And over here you see this one has got a lot of stuff, which makes me very happy. And there's our contractor. So this would be where the front door is going to go. In this area that's full of stones and dirt, that's the living room. And then that's going to be a flight of stairs that goes up. And then this, where I'm standing, is a little hallway. That's the CR, or the toilet. There's a door here, a small bedroom there. Other end of the hallway, there's a door here, and there's another bedroom right there. And though this bedroom is closed, this would be a side entrance right here. And all this is the kitchen. And the kitchen's gonna stop about right here. And then that's where the stairs are. So the front door here, see, front door where the small columns are. And it comes in and there's gonna be a staircase that goes kind of banks to the right. It was designed to go just up along the wall and then make a right turn. And then the landing would be right there. But Liva, my wife, wants it to kind of slope like that, if that makes sense. And the other half over there, where all those stones are, that would be like the living room. So there's gonna be a wall right there, covering up the bedroom. Window there, front door there. And this would be kind of like the foyer, I think you said, pronounced it right. So today they are filling in the foundation, which is kind of important. This is limestone, they dropped it off this morning. And there's loads of stones around here. So they started bringing the stones in from in the fields all around here. And I gave them a hand, but you can hear me, I'm winded, because I'm old. Anyways, they'll put in big stones, limestones. They're gonna throw some dirt on it. They're gonna throw limestone, which you see on top. Then they're gonna compact it, and then they're gonna throw crushed gravel on the top. And that's what's gonna be under the slab. The slab's gonna lay like right on top of it. I'll go around the other side and get another look. So this is the aerial shot of the lime. And that's my wife barking out orders. That's why I'm upstairs. So they've done the forms for the columns, and it appears they've poured all of them. These have been poured. The casting's already been removed. So you can see they look pretty good. Another one there. And I think they have one more to pour today. They'll probably remove the casing in the next day or so.